Mini nuclear power plants here in the Philippines soon. Business tycoon Mr. Manny Pangilinan, who chairs Meralco, said last Monday sa isang event sa Rockwell that a feasibility study for ultra-safe nuclear power corp would commence mid-2024. Meralco first announced its partnership with Ultrasafe in August. A team from its power generation arm, Meralco Power Gen, would be sent to the US to visit and study the University of Illinois nuclear reactor site. Ultrasafe was established in 2011. They specialize in micro-modular reactors and other nuclear power technologies for space exploration. He said that since the power plant is modular, mas maliit ito and it is scalable. MVP also assured the public that safety is a priority. Well, problema talaga natin ang expensive power. Another reason nga kaya kakaunti lang ang manufacturing plants dito sa Philippines kasi mahal talaga ang kuryente natin. Energy security is very important para sa isang emerging economy like the Philippines. President Marcos has been pushing for nuclear power development since the beginning of his term in 2022. Not just nuclear, the government and private sector is pushing din for solar, hydro, and other clean energy sources. The Department of Energy aims to increase the renewable energy share to the total energy mix to 35% by 2030. If we look sa stock naman ni Meralco, is trading sideways at the moment, trading around 356 pesos per share.